Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to add contacts to Gmail. In the top corner, click on the Google Apps icon. From the menu, select Contacts. This will open Google Contacts, and to add a new contact, click the Create Contact. First, you can add a profile photo by clicking the photo icon. And there's a gallery of illustrations here that you can choose, and you can also choose to upload your contact's photo from your device. Resize it and click Done. Now let's type in your contact's first name and last name. And there's also a drop down here for more details. And you can also type in the company, job title, and the department of your contact. Enter your contact's email address, and you can select a label here. And you can also add another email address of that person. And now let's type in the number. And select the label. You can add another phone number, add address, and other details about your contact. There's also a note here. Once done, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully added a new contact.